Excited na si James Reid sa kanyang pagbabalik sa pag-arte. Revelasyon ni James, gain siyang makatrabaho si Coco Martin kaya marami ang nagkomento na palaban sa King o prime time. Isang parangalan nga raw na mapasama sa long-form series ni Coco na FPJ Batang Quiapo na humahataw sa TV ratings at concurrent viewers sa YouTube at Facebook. I think it is being considered. I can confirm, say ni James nang makapanayam siya ng entertainment press sa isang Christmas tree lighting event. Dagdag pa niya, the last time I acted with Coco Martin, I was his brother. It went viral. He was mad at me in the scene, sabi. Bakit English ng English and I hope to have a new scene with him. That would be great. Ang tinutukoy niyang proyekto na pinagsamahan nila dati ay ang 2015 comedy film na Beauty and the Bestie. Miss na nga raw ng romantic singer ang umarte. I always planned to go back to acting. I felt it was time. All the signs were pointed. It is time to do it again. Showbiz was my whole adult life. I needed a break to find myself. And I am in a good place now, say niya. Sa ngayon, ay pinaplano pa ang kanyang pagpasok sa serye maging ang papel na ibibigay sa kanya ni Coco Martin.